everyone, I am Julissa Nieto from Midland TV Algeria. And today I will be discussing multimedia and information and communication technology, or ICT, and their importance in education in the 21st century. Multimedia is the use of different forms of media such as text, image, audio, video, and animation to present information in a more engaging and interactive way. ICT, on the other hand, refers to the use of technology like computers, the internet, smartphones, and digital platforms to create, store, and share information. In today's modern world, multimedia and ICT have become very important in the learning process. They make lessons more interesting, visuals, and easier to understand. For example, instead of only reading from books, students can watch educational videos, explore interactive presentations, and listen to recorded lessons. Another advantage of ICT is that it helps students and teachers connect and communicate easily. Through online learning platforms, virtual classrooms, and educational websites, students can access information anytime and anywhere.